Hi guys, wish you all a very pleasure and great evening. Myself Rahul Bhatia, the founder and director of PHR Restaurant Consultant and Management. Right, I'm once again back for a great educational series which we have begun in the year 2020. Right, and continued this legacy to help the young people, right, to understand this restaurants and hospitality business through our valuable knowledge sharing series. Right. So, uh, as you are well aware, we are the as you are well aware, right? We are the award-winning restaurant consultation company. Right. We have established more than 100 plus restaurant projects on a pan-India level. Right, and our company has been awarded numerous times on a pan-India level for the best restaurant consultations. Right, on a pan-India level. Right. So I'm very much thankful for all of you for all your blessings for making us reach this level and provide the better and always the industry ahead hospitality solutions, right, for establishing the restaurants and hotel business on a pan India level as well as now it is in the international market also, right? So thank you for all our well wishers and clients for making us reach this level. Right. So I'm going to announce you like I've also written one book, right? How to run your own successful restaurant own business, right? You can read this book on Amazon also, right? It's available, right? So where you can definitely read and enhance your series, right? And so that's a small description about us and the company, as you're well aware, right? So now coming back to our fundamental points, right, which I'm going to provide you shortly in this video, right? So a few points definitely I will highlight. So today's videos is very interesting and knowledge sharing, right? You can understand what are the latest trends which are happening in our F&B business, in the restaurant industry, hospitality industry, hotel industry, right? I will elaborate it quickly so you can get an idea what's going on, right? And where you can catch up, right? If you are know someone who want to establish its own restaurant, you're dreaming of what, right? Get in touch with our team. We are always there to help you out with the best quality solutions, right? So give you the best edge in your project, right? And through our success recipes, you can definitely chant a success for yourself through our support of the PHR consultant, right? The most award-winning restaurant consultation company. Right. So coming back to the topic, see, today video I'm going to give you the great insights. What are the future trends in our restaurant industry? Right. Many people come to ask, they say us, okay, if we want to start up, but we don't know, right? क्या करना चाहिए, किस तरीके से करना चाहिए, क्या आपको लग रहा है, right? I will elaborate a few points so that you can get a fair idea what's going on in this industry. Right. First, there is a huge demand for casual dining restaurants. Right. Casual dining restaurants are in great demand nowadays. People love to go out. Now the COVID and everything is over, so people go to love out, have a hangout with the families, right, and get pleasure through the different servings of the varieties of food served in a unique presentation, unique styles, right? They love to have the proper dining facilities also, right? So casual dining are going to be there, and there is a robust demand for that. Market is rising brilliantly, right? In a similar way, there is a huge profit margins in the casual dining restaurant businesses, right? And huge turnovers can be expected. And there is a lot of gap where you can get in touch with our team, right? Where we can give you the proper insights where you need to position your casual dining restaurant, right? So you can create your own brand. Many players are there. I will not name anyone over here in this video since this public video. They started with one restaurant with us. Today they are having an 8 restaurant, 10 restaurants in that way. So everyone is growing. So similar way that things can happen to you also. Once you clearly interested, you want to deep dive into this business, get in touch with my team. Our team are always there to help you out and take your business to the next level. Right. Second fundamental points which I'd like to highlight is QSR sector. QSR is again very booming market in India region. India and basically I would say Asia Pacific, right? Lot of things are pulling up in QSR. People are appreciating the QSR at this moment, right? But only thing in QSR, what you need to keep in mind, it has to be like organized way, well organized. Your kitchen plans, your menu plans, your recipes, your staff training, right? Everything has to be well organized. It has to be well formulated. Your packaging has to be the best, right? How you like, you should have your own technology, your own softwares, right? Integration has to be superb, right? So that whole thing, then there is a robust future in QSR industry, right? You can make a multi-million dollar business in this QSR industry too. Correct, guys? So everything works through the proper foundation, right? Get in touch with our team so you have proper foundation for your business. Take your business to next level because India has immense growth. And this decade is having a full of potential. People are spending money into this consumption industry, what we say like food, right? Is a consumption industry like anything, right? Get the advantage of it, right? Don't sit out, right? कि हमको करना है, get out and do because this time will never come. A lot of business is happening and a lot of things are coming back on track and huge opportunities are there. Third fundamental I would like to highlight over here is the specialty restaurants. Today the market for specialty restaurant is ever booming. People love to go to specialty restaurants too, which are serving specific cuisines, right? You need to master that cuisines specifically, your kitchens, your branding, your product menu, right? Your training to the people has to be right, accurate, right? And you need to master that craft, right? Definitely, since I was the project head for the Taj Group of Hotels and all, we know the cuisines very well. So we can craft it for you, being a chef also, right? And give you the proper way where you can position your restaurant into that leverage category, where you get a good audience and audience will come back to you again and again asking because there would be USP for you. That's our role, right? We'll craft a unique USP for you to give you the edge over the competition and take your restaurant to the immense success. Okay, guys? So you can write down also, I don't mind, right? So that's specialty restaurant, right? Fourth fundamental point which I like to highlight over here again, there is a huge demand for the regional restaurant, right? So traditional regional restaurants holds a lot of potential also again in the Indian market, right? People are experimenting with the regional foods also, right? But you need to have that unique concepts, unique ideas has to be there, right? Where you can create a nice concept out of these regional cuisines. Uh, yes, like if you, I don't know whether you must be aware, in India there are 270 to 280 types of different regional cuisines. For example, like what we say, like we have Talipat cuisine, we have Andhra cuisine, we have Mangalorean cuisine, we have Goan cuisine. You name it, and we are there. India is such a, and many things are there which are not been given in the market, right? Which can be tapped up. Nice concepts can be created, and great dining experience can be created out of these regional cuisines to create a next level $1 billion business, right? You can start with one restaurant with our company, right? And take your business to the multiple. We also help you out once the business gets established, since we have an internal franchise team also, right? Automatically, we can also help you out in franchises also, where through one single unit, you can become a multi-unit franchise also and have a good turnover and good $1 billion business. Okay, guys? So that's fundamental rights I've given you. Fifth, again, I would like to highlight over here is right. There are specifically right savior dining restaurant, what we say, desserts restaurants, right? In India, again, there is a lot of demand for a good dessert, right? So in that specific category, also we can create a very nice desserts restaurant, right? Maybe we can calculate a healthy factor also in that, right? So desserts as in category, I would be very much excited to work on it, right? So it has a holds a very good future, right? Lot of things can be created in that category also, right? And great dining experience can be created, which can be served on the table also, as well as on the delivery also. Okay, guys. So do like our page and stay tuned to it, right? You can always like, we have our YouTube channel on the name of PHR Consultant, right? You like our Facebook page, right? So that you always don't miss out anything, right? Stay tuned to our emailers also, so you get latest update in the industry, conclaves and all. Same, I'm part of the lot of organization and committees of our hotels and restaurants. We get updated on the international level also, what's happening globally also. So stay tuned, guys. Right, update your knowledges. Right, and if you find someone who is really keenly interested, right, to start up the restaurant business, start up the QSR business, start up the specialty restores, what I've spoken, right, start up its own resorts, hotel, get in touch with my team. We are definitely there to guide you, to help you, right, to formulate your business in such a way, right, it becomes a legacy business through our professional qualifications, right, and having an experience of setting up more than 100 plus restaurants across India, right, that definitely will give you the ingredient for success, which we have learned, formulated, right. So take your business to the next level and earn a great success in life, right? So thank you guys for your so much well wishes, for keeping in faith and keeping us trust on our company, right? Always thankful to all of you guys, right? So because of you only today the PHR Corporation has grown such a big organization, and we are providing you the best quality, right, to take our my Indian entrepreneurs, right, to the next level global business. That's our mission. We are always striving our mission. We want to create such a brands which we can take you, my Indian people, on the global level, next level restaurants. Okay. Thanks a lot, guys. Have a very great evening and great weekend also. Right. Thank you.